The Rato Machhindranath Jatra is one of Nepal's oldest and most culturally significant festivals, celebrated annually in Lalitpur, Patan, just south of Kathmandu. This vibrant chariot festival honors Rato Machhindranath, also known as Bunga Daya, revered as the rain god and a symbol of compassion. The festival is deeply rooted in both Hindu and Buddhist traditions, with the deity identified as an incarnation of Avalokiteshvara, Bodhisattva of compassion, in Buddhism and associated with the sage Machhindranath in Hinduism. Historical and cultural significance. The origins of the Rato Machhindranath Jatra trace back to the 7th century during the reign of King Narendra Deva. According to legend, the Kathmandu Valley suffered a severe drought, prompting the king, a tantric priest, and a farmer named Lalit to bring the deity from Assam, India, to Nepal. Their efforts led to the return of rainfall, and the festival has since been celebrated to ensure agricultural prosperity. Festival highlights. Chariot construction. A towering 60-foot chariot is meticulously built from wood and bamboo in Pulchauk, Lalitpur without the use of nails. Procession route. The chariot carrying the deity's idol is pulled through various neighborhoods of Patan, including Gabahal, Sundhara, Lagankel, and Mangalda Bazaar over several weeks. Poto Jatra. The festival culminates in Jawalakel with the Poto Jatra ceremony, where a sacred jewel-studded vest, Poto, is displayed to the public from the chariot. Religious and social importance. The Rato Machhindranath Jatra is not only a religious observance, but also a celebration of community and cultural identity, particularly for the Newar people of the Kathmandu Valley. It symbolizes the harmonious blend of Hindu and Buddhist practices and underscores the importance of rain for the region's agriculture.